What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here with Jessie girl. We're over here at Baby Beach once again. Oh, actually, that's Baby Beach over there. We're over here because we want to fly the drone, and Jess wants to check out if there's any OPHs over here, guys. Check it out. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put this on the roof, and I'm also gonna put the drone on the roof, and it's gonna take off from the roof, right, Jess? You guys can see it. Maybe I'll do a little 360 action there. I don't know, but yeah, the weather, it's kind of what is it, Jess? Kind of overcast. Looks like there's some rain coming. Holy moly, I better fly the drone pretty soon. But you know what, let's go take a walk, guys. Let's go take a walk. Jess is taking a walk. I want to show you guys how beautiful this place is. I do apologize about the wind noise, but you know what, this GoPro Max, you know, kind of filters out much of the wind noise. But yeah, guys, check it out. So yeah, guys, I've just been busy as of late. I do apologize not uploading or vlogging that often. But you know what? I'll try at least push out 2 videos a week. And those shorts, those YouTube short videos, let me know if you guys like that too. You know, sometimes I forget to put down, I mean to include some little videos in YouTube, because I usually just upload to Instagram, like Instagram stories, not so much Facebook nowadays. I try to stay away from Facebook, but if my mouth looks funny, it's because I went to the dentist this morning. But yeah, guys, check it out. Oh, look how crystal clear. Look, oh, there's a fishy. It's down there. Wow, guys, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, and Jess actually got her Halloween costume, guys. I'm not gonna say what she is. It's gonna be a secret. I'll probably make a nice video. But yeah, look at Jess over there looking for her peekies. Beautiful, guys. There's some fishies down there. There we go, fishies. Yes, there's some fishes over here. Look how beautiful the rocks are. Look how beautiful the rocks, Jess. Beautiful rocks. Coral. Whoa, right there, Jess. Look at those fishies. Look at that. Look at that, Jess. Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a season.
Still? Oh, you cannot net them though.
What?
I don't think it's allowed.
That's Mama.
Where'd it go? Oh. Oh, right there. There they are, guys. Can you see them? There they are.
Oh, there's a lot.
Whoa, look at that. Wow. That's cool. Yeah, you only can go like, whoa, 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 look at that, jumping. Oh, that is cool. Oh, sheesh. I didn't know a almost jump. I didn't know they jump, Jess. Alright guys, so you know what? I'm gonna fly the drone. Hold on.